I've been cooking eggplant in the oven. When the fork comes out like this easily, look, it's not coming out easily on the top here. So that means it needs more cooking. I have it at 375 degrees. This one's not ready yet either. No. No, they all need more. Just keep an eye on it. So you don't need to make eggplant parmesan and have a lot of oil in it and dairy, etc., etc. You could just wash it and trim it a little if there's any strange spots, and put it in the oven. And of course, save any little pieces that that might come off. Some imperfect pieces, so you could put it in the yard.